Hey everyone, welcome back again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make one contact ring on your Android phone when you go to the silent mode, right? So the good thing about it is that you kind of set up these type of specific routines and modes which allow you to, choose specific people which are going to be allowed. So for that, just open up these settings. And in the main page, you can find modes and routines right there. So just tap on this. And this is basically like a do not disturb mode, or, just a mode for sleeping, driving, exercise. You can even create a bunch of your own ones, whatever. But you can create a brand new one and give it your own name if you wish, or you can just go with the existing one and just change the settings. So let's say I'm going to pick the work mode, right? So this is what it looks like. This is the name right there. And there is the do not disturb mode, right? So I'm going to enable it right here. And this gives me the ability to pick specific people from my contacts list, which I'm going to be able to make ring or just go through, right? So I can click on this and choose calls and notifications from specific people right here. So this allows me to choose contacts which are going to go through, which are going to ring, while the rest of the contacts will remain silent when the work mode is enabled. Obviously, you have some features like repeated callers, so even if someone who you don't know calls you multiple different times within 15 minutes, it will still go through. It might be a good feature to enable. You can also go through the messages section right here, or app notifications. This might be useful as well because you can decide which apps can and cannot deliver notifications. So that's how you can basically set it up. And when you're ready, you can just enable it like this, and the work mode right now is on, and only those specific people can get to you. So the phone is on silent, on do not disturb, but one person can still get in touch with you, or as many as you decide, of course. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to figure it out on your device. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll catch you later in the next one.